Hey everybody, welcome to Bura. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about how Apple is actually sending tools for you to repair your Apple devices at home. Alright, welcome back. First in this video, and make sure you like, subscribe. The more subscribers you get, the more content we can make. The one reason why you subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel is to get the money-making trends before they go mainstream. Alright, so this is something that is really unexpected, but I really do like it. And the fact that Apple's doing this makes me quite happy. So first things first, they will start to send you parts to fix your iPhone and Mac at home. Because one thing that I've talked about a lot on this channel is the fact that, believe it or not, our technology is way too complex, and that's a huge problem. Now, there used to be a time where you could just fix whatever it is you had at home with parts that you could buy like at Radio Shack or something like that. But for the most part, nowadays, it's almost impossible to do that. Now, I understand that the devices are a lot more complicated. Your iPhone is so incredibly complicated compared to, a radio in, let's say, the 1980s. But nevertheless, one of the things that you should be able to do is you should be able to repair it. Now, this has happened to me recently. For example, one of my kids actually threw the tablet and the screen broke. And frankly, replacing that screen is going to cost the same as a new iPad. I really think that's a terrible idea. Really, the new screen should cost maybe, I don't know, $100, something, or like a fifth of what a new iPad costs. And basically, that becomes e-waste. So not only is it just wasteful, it doesn't make sense, because you could have technology that works really well, except for one problem, but that because the system doesn't allow you to repair things cheaply, it ends up costing more. Now, of course, that's really good for the company, but at the end of the day, it's really not good. Well, frankly, I don't think it's really good for anyone. Other than the company itself. But Apple is letting you fix things at home, and it's giving documents on how to do it. But apparently it won't be giving you video, but nevertheless, somebody is going to actually make videos and put them on YouTube, or they might even put up a course on how to do that as well, right? That actually might be a really good course idea where you can become your own repair store, and that's the kind of whole thing why online learning is so awesome. Now, would you put that on Udemy, or would you put that on your own Teachable or Thinkific school? That is up to you. So this is really interesting that Apple has done this, because Apple might be one of the bigger offenders in the tech space, and it might be annoying to drag your iPhone into the Apple Store. But what's really a problem is for farmers. They have to drag their tractor into a John Deere location. So I bet that, basically when it comes to farm equipment and other kinds of mechanical equipment that has just as serious right to repair issues, I bet you those days are numbered as well. And that's really good, because you don't really want people spending more money on things. You want that to circulate in the economy. And because you want that money to circulate in the economy, I think it's a win-win for everyone. Well, except for the company. But you know what? Your job as a company is to produce a good product. And if people want to repair it, well, that's up to them. So this news is unexpected, but absolutely amazing. And I want to know your comments down below. Is this good? Will you start repairing your Mac at home if given the chance? And have you taken your Mac into a different repair shop? What was your experience? That concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.